A property manager can provide valuable services and assistance in managing your rental properties. Here are some tasks and responsibilities typically handled by a property manager. 1. Tenant screening and placement. A property manager can help find and screen potential tenants for your rental properties. They can advertise the property, conduct background checks, verify employment and income, and evaluate prospective tenants to ensure they meet your criteria. 2. Rent collection. Property managers can handle rent collection on your behalf. They establish and enforce lease agreements, set rental rates, and collect rent payments from tenants. They can also handle late payments, issue notices, and pursue evictions if necessary. 3. Property maintenance and repairs. Property managers oversee the maintenance and repair needs of your rental properties. They coordinate and schedule routine maintenance tasks, handle emergency repairs, and ensure that the property is well maintained and in compliance with local regulations. 4. Lease and legal compliance. Property managers can help ensure that your rental properties are in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. They draft and manage lease agreements, handle lease renewals and terminations, and stay up to date on local housing laws, fair housing regulations, and other legal requirements. 5. Marketing and advertising. Property managers have expertise in marketing rental properties effectively. They can create appealing property listings, use various advertising channels, and showcase the property to attract potential tenants. 6. Handling tenant concerns and disputes. Property managers act as a point of contact for tenants, addressing their concerns, requests, and resolving any disputes that may arise. They handle maintenance requests, mediate disagreements, and ensure a positive landlord-tenant relationship. 7. Financial management. Property managers can provide financial management services related to your rental properties. They can handle budgeting, expense tracking, and financial reporting, providing you with regular updates on income and expenses. They may also assist with tax-related documentation and coordination with accountants. 8. Vacancy management. When a rental property becomes vacant, property managers can take care of the vacancy process. This includes advertising the property, conducting showings, screening potential tenants, and preparing the property for new occupants. 9. Inspections and documentation. Property managers can conduct regular inspections of your rental properties to assess their condition and identify any necessary repairs or maintenance. They can also maintain thorough documentation of property inspections, lease agreements, rent payments, and any other relevant records. 10. Time and stress management. Hiring a property manager allows you to delegate the day-to-day tasks and responsibilities of managing your rental properties. This frees up your time and reduces stress associated with property management, especially if you own multiple properties or have other commitments. It's important to note that the specific services provided by property managers may vary depending on the company or individual you hire. Before hiring a property manager, it's recommended to thoroughly discuss their services, fees, and terms of the agreement to ensure they align with your needs and expectations as a property owner.